conditional fields are the ones that depend on users' particular actions on some other input fields. If the defined actions are not triggered, these conditional fields will not come into being. Here is how conditional fields can be configured. Add the input fields such as radio buttons, check boxes, multiple selection choice, etc., which will dictate the conditional input field. Add the conditional input fields that will respond to specific user actions. Click on Edit and go to the input customization of the conditional input field. Go to Advanced Options and choose Yes in Conditional Logic option. Select Any if the conditional input field requires to respond to a single conditional action. Select All if the field requires to fulfill multiple conditions. Define the input fields that the conditional field would rely upon. Define equal or not equal. Define on which options the specific conditional input field will respond to. Save form once the conditional logics are set.